Future IQ Partners is a consultancy and a product development company, and I guess the way I like to think about the company that makes us different is that we have a real commitment to make a difference with people. You know, it's like I have a passion and the team in the company has a passion about the future. Future IQ does work in a lot of different geographies, so we work across Europe, North America, Australia, and even parts of Asia on occasion. We also work in different sectors, so we work in regional settings, industry settings, community settings, corporate settings. And why we do that is, to me, it's all the same. It's people trying to work out how to work together, how to come together, design a future that they want to have, and then work out how they actually create that or fulfill on that. So there's an opportunity to learn a lot from different areas. You know, the corporate sector, for example, has been very good at developing certain types of approaches about planning or engaging people. They can easily be transferred to a community environment, and you're seeing that happening already. So, for example, scenario planning is something that came out of the military and corporate environment. It's now becoming a tool in regional planning. But it goes the other way too, which is where corporations are becoming more interested and concerned in the human dimension, in terms of people's broader lives. You know, the impact they have on the neighbourhoods they operate in, or where their factories are located. You know, so I think there's a lot to learn from the threads that run between various communities, nations, and sectors of our society. So the company is really about being in that place to help people who have some desire to create the best possible future for whoever they represent, to be able to work with them, to be able to give them what we call the future intelligence. So our tagline is creating future intelligence. So it's about understanding how the future might look, what the implications of that might be, but then how do we start to respond and adapt to that future. I care that my life makes a difference. You know, I care that what I do in some small way improves the lot of life for people or improves the planet. I have no idea really at the end of the day if it will, right? But I'd like to at least use my life in the attempt to be able to make some positive contribution to the society that I'm a part of.